Just out of curiosity, you mentioned this earlier, a third of your customers have already adopted some form of AI. Yeah. Are there any specific industries or verticals that you see where it makes sense to do that earlier versus others where they may be the more of the laggard, maybe due to security concerns or due to maturity in the organization?
Yeah. We've seen a lot of horizontal adoption. One of the panelists today was from TTX, yeah. not a high-tech company, not a digital business. It's a very traditional business, and they're using predictive forecasting for a very meat and potatoes type of use case. They are forecasting maintenance expenses for their railroad cars.
Right.
So that's a very down the middle kind of use case. We're seeing adoption in retail businesses, in healthcare businesses, educational institutions. Of course, we are seeing it in high-tech businesses, in manufacturing businesses, in financial services. But some larger financial services organizations have a bigger bar in terms of getting over all of these security concerns and so on. Whereas some of the other industries, like the manufacturing or more traditional businesses, they're saying, look, as long as it's dealt with by Oracle is a certified vendor, we are good to go.
Sure.